September 29th, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Drag the red X, so this red X on here, onto the vocabulary puzzle piece that does not belong. So we're going to take a look, and there are some terms in here. We have exponent, base, addition, and power. When we take a look at these puzzle pieces, which one does not quite belong? So if we have an exponent and a base, let's see, exponent and base, do those kind of relate together? Yeah, there's a base and then there's an exponent. That exponent is also called a power because it could be raised to the second power. So exponent could have a base with a power. Are you adding at all when you're doing exponents? No, we're not adding at all when we're doing exponents. Remember, when you are doing exponents, we're multiplying. So go ahead and drag that X onto that puzzle piece.